Everyone, thanks for showing up. Just kidding, nobody's here except for me. This is a video that I'm recording. Number one, my name is Tony. If you don't know who I am, of course you know who I am. You're here, you're listening. Number two, this video is part one of 60. It's an experiment. Basically, I've decided to start a brand new business where I give myself 8 weeks to make a business that brings in $30,000 per month. So I don't have to necessarily make $30,000 per month in these next 2 months, but my goal is to create a system to where on that eighth week I can say, yes, I have a business that can repeatedly bring in about $1,000 a day. So that's what we're going to try and build here. Now, originally, I was only going to post this in our school community, which I guess wherever I'm posting this, I'll link it below. It's a free community you can join. But then I thought, because you're watching it, you're in school, I thought, why don't I post just like the first couple of episodes or the first couple of days to more public channels like YouTube and podcasts to bring others into this community we have and to keep me accountable. So that's, if you're watching it elsewhere, that's what this is. So in this video, I'm going to lay out a little bit of my strategy for what I'm going to do. And each day I'm going to try to post updates. Now, every time I do a daily challenge, I don't follow through. So because of that, these episodes, these videos, whatever, these log entries are going to be unedited, which means I'm not going to have fancy editing. I'm not going to cut out my ums and my likes and my silences. I'm not going to script it. I have a couple bullet points I want to hit here, but that's really it. Just to try and get me creating every day, to get me updating you every day, because it serves me as well. I want to outline this process that I'm doing. If it works, then I want to remember everything that I did, but I also want to teach you everything I do as I do it. Here we go. Okay. Is that clear? Nobody's here. It's only me. Okay. A couple caveats. Here's where I am. I'm actually starting a job that's 8 hours a day, Monday through Thursday. And the reason why I did that, you might think like, Tony, you're doing fine on TikTok. You sell a bunch of courses. I've decided to stop doing all of that because I want to actually feel like what it feels like to have a clean slate. That's number one. Number two, I took a job because I wanted consistent income while I'm doing this experiment. And it'll prove to me and to you that you can do this with a full-time job or close to a full-time job. Okay. Every morning, my kids start needing me at 6 a.m. I will start work at about 8. I will work until 4 or 5. Then I'm with my kids till about 8:30 p.m. And so really the only time I have to work on this during the week is in the mornings before 6 a.m. and at night after 9 p.m., which is back to the side hustle days. But anyway, that's one caveat. Number two, I guess here's where I'm starting, right? We have this school community with about 500 members. First of all, if you're watching this and you're not on school, there's a community linked below. You can join. It's free. We're just learning how to make money with content. That's it. Content on social media. If you want to join, links below. But I won't be aggressively marketing to this program that I'm talking about to you guys. So I'm not worried about it skewing results. I know a couple of you have mentioned, oh, I want to learn how to do a podcast. That's what my course is going to be on. So that's fine, but it's not going to skew the results. So I'm not going to try and take advantage of the group and get sales. I do have 48,000 followers on TikTok, but that doesn't really matter because my focus is not on TikTok. My focus will be on Instagram. And this very, very specific decision I've made. Listen up. So I did some market analysis basically for this new program. I looked at a lot of the accounts that are teaching people how to podcast, not well, in my opinion, and that are seeing success. And most of the people seeing success doing this are on Instagram. When you're doing something new, you need to go where it's being done well, or you need to, yeah, where it's being done well, rather, where people are actually succeeding. And that's where you need to start because it's been proven in that area with those customers. And then you just need to do it better than they do. And I've chosen something that I think that I can do better than they do. Okay, I've been a podcaster for a decade. I created a podcasting course about 8 years ago. I never did anything with it. So this is a really fun, this is really kind of full circle moment for me. So that's number one. Number two, Reels has ManyChat, which TikTok does not have. ManyChat is going to be a huge part of our funnel because if you want to make $1,000 a day, it's going to be a low ticket course. You're going to need some automation. I need ManyChat on my side. That's another reason for TikTok. So here's what I'm doing on day one. This is technically day one. Um, Although I've been preparing for this day one, so let me tell you how I cheated. Number one, you need a course. Okay? You need to create a course. Can you do this with an MRR course or one that you don't like own? Maybe. But ideally, you're able to put your branding on whatever course this is. So, number one, find out something that you do better than anybody else, or that you do so well that you'd be easily be able to position yourself as doing it better because nobody else is positioning themselves as the expert for this, right? Like Doreen comes to mind. Doreen, I know you're going to watch this, but Doreen is the best at selling on eBay. She's creating a course to teach people how to sell on eBay and get rid of all their junk and make money because nobody's doing that well. She has a great opportunity. I'm entering into a little more of a crowded market, so it's going to be difficult for me. But anyway, that's number one. You need to have something to sell. You don't need this on day one. My course isn't ready yet, and it'll probably be, I decided to add a bunch to it, so it'll probably be ready in 2 weeks, like Dunzo in 2 weeks. So that's what the first 2 weeks out of the 8, I'm finishing this course. But in the meantime, what I can do is start getting my social media accounts running. So I'm going to be posting every day on Instagram. My goal is to do one story, one reel, and one carousel every day. It's insane, but I'm going to try at least 3 days a week. Even if you could just do 3 days a week, that would still do really well. And the goal is to have some of them just follow me. So if you don't have any freebies, if you don't have any courses, you have nothing to offer, then yours are going to be educational posts showing off your expertise, and your call to action is going to be to tell people to follow you. That's what you're going to do initially. Then your next step needs to be creating a freebie. That's what I'm going to be doing tonight. It's on my to-do list. Create freebies from my course that I can give people on a ManyChat automation. So basically what I'll do is I'll create a reel that's going to be very like a viral reel. Well, I'll manufacture it to be viral. Whether or not it goes viral remains to be seen. But there's a formula that we can follow. I'll do that. I will say something like, if you want to know how I start a podcast from start to finish in an hour or something, some desirable result that people have that I haven't figured out yet, haven't put words to it yet, just DM me. If it's on a reel, I'm going to say comment the word X or something and I'll send it your way. Or if it's a story, then I'll say DM me the word whatever. And the great thing with stories is you could just reply to a story and that counts as a DM. Regardless, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send them, hey, thanks for showing interest. What's your name? Here's my ManyChat automation I'm going to try. What's your name? Doreen. Great, Doreen. I'm so excited you're going to have access to this. What's the best email I can send it to? Boom. Then I collect their email address. Okay. And then I have their email and I send them a freebie. Now I can start marketing to them on my email list, right? Perfect. That's the one we're going to start with. So the first couple weeks, I'm only going to be doing freebies every single day. And then once in 2 weeks happens, then I'm going to hopefully launch my program. And a lot of my reels will just go directly to my program. So that's number one. That's what I'm doing. Maybe I'll outline this for you tomorrow. But tomorrow I'm going to be setting up my Instagram growth framework. This is a framework I've developed. Some of you know it. I teach it in my other program, but I'm catering it specifically to this effort. So I'm going to probably nail that tomorrow, and I'll tell you about it tomorrow. All of this is like really just coming off the top of my head here because that's what this project is. So maybe I'll try and write it all down into like a list for y'all. But anyway, that's what I'm focusing on today. Today is post a reel, post a story, post a carousel. I'm also doing this on my lunch break, by the way, this video. And then what else am I doing? Tonight, I'm trying to create a freebie so that I could put those in my reels. But if I don't have a freebie, no problem. I'm going to create reels today and tomorrow that just say follow me. Yeah? Okay, so that's today, guys. That's day one. These videos are going to be really rough. They're going to be unedited. Some of them are going to be at night. They're probably going to be in my garage, walking around the neighborhood so nobody hears me. My kids fall asleep early, so I can't do it. This is like I share a wall with them, but I'm excited. If you have questions, leave them wherever you're watching this. You can leave them if you're in the school community, just leave them in the thread. If you're on YouTube, just leave a comment and I'll answer it. But but we got this. Okay, I've got a full-time job that's not, it's paying less than what I need. Okay, so this is like, this still needs to happen. I'm not sitting here comfy and cushy. We still have to make money here. So, like I said, yeah, that's the update. If you guys have questions, let me know. This is different than my normal stuff, and this is going to be a turn for the podcast as well. I'm going to stop talking. You guys, I hope you learned something from this, and let's make some money together. Yeah? Okay. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.